Behind me, I've got one of Australia's toughest looking 2500 Rams. If you're a Ram lover, you're running 37-inch tyres in the NB2 category, and you want a solution for your spare wheel, stick around at the end of this video to check out what we've done on the back of this one. We're going to start this one a little bit differently. We're going to start with the aesthetics of the truck, and then we're going to talk about everything up on top: lift, wheels, tyres, and don't forget the side steps. There's plenty going on behind the seat and under this one that you can't see. This thing's even got 2 air on board setups. And last but not least, I haven't seen a rear bar setup like this in Australia yet. If aesthetics is important to you, we're famous for doing little things like this. These headlights look insane. We've also done the full chrome delete on this vehicle. We've got the color-coded top and bottom grille molds, got the color-coded front bar from Off-Road Creative, and we've done a 2-tone color code theme for the front grille as well. We've matched the satin black to the color code. We've done the same on all badges around the vehicle as well. The satin black theme and the gold flake that comes out in these black Rams, this thing looks insane. Up on top, we've got the Rhino Rack platform and backbone setup. We've also got the Big Dog Builds light bar bracket. So this is housing the laser lamp LED spotlights. These things have got amazing distance on them. We've then got the UHF as well as Selfie up on there with the 680mm antenna for the UHF as well as a 1.2 meter antenna for the Selfie Go. We've also got steady work lights both left and right. These ones are the 2700 Kelvin light output, so a slightly sort of warm white orange tinge to them, which is good for bugs. The benefit of running the switch mode doing all these ones, you can do it via Bluetooth. You can also dim down the lights. They've even got a little strobe feature attached to them as well. Before we get around to the back end on this one, it's also sporting the Clever Shade awning, the 270-degree awning from Clever Shade, definitely one of the lightest on the market. These things are super simple to set up and pack up, and you can also remove them off the vehicle in about 30 seconds as well. This one's running the Dominator lower front shock mounts, which are definitely a crucial thing for your Ram 25-3500 from Carly. It's also got the full Carly pin top 3.25-inch setup with all the optional upgrades. So we've got the torsion sway bar under the front, the radius arms with the limit straps, high mount, low mount steering stabilizer under there as well, and these massive 37, 13.5, 18 Toyo MTs. These are one of my favorite 37s on the market. Them wrapped on the 305 method with the lip bolts changed out for the color theme on this one looks amazing. The 37-inch tire won't fit up in the factory location underneath, and we've got a cool solution at the back of this one. You don't have to run it up on the roof rack like most people would, and it's not going to fill up your entire tub using up all that space where the beer fridge should go. Before we talk about the 37-inch wheel on the back, we're going to go into the air on board setup. As I said before, we've got 2 different air setups, one for the tires as well as a neat app from Air IQ, and this is doing the airbags in the rear coils. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. I haven't seen a setup like this done in Australia yet. This thing's pretty damn impressive in the rear end. It's got everything going on. If you want a solution for your 37-inch tire, even 2 of them, or this one's running jerry cans shortly, we've got this new bar from Chassis Unlimited. This one's super simple. Simply lift the handle here, touch that button in the middle there, and those swing arm can swing out into the location. That locks in place there, so it's not going to swing around and smack the back of the vehicle. And it's the same for the spare wheel on this side as well. Simply lift the tab, push the button, and that one can swing out into the other location. Lock that one in place. 37's nice and secure on the back there, and then you can get inside the back as well. This one's pretty simple in here. This vehicle's used for a bit of a work truck. We've got the twin USBs in there. We've got the SIG port. We've got the Anderson plug for a fridge as well. We've also got power in the Ram boxes on this one. It's definitely got that sort of chase truck feel for myself. It's got everything, the power behind the seat, which is 100 amp DCS lithium. That's powering all the options in the back here. It's got DC-DC charges while the vehicle's running. We've got solar panel that we're about to put up on the roof rack. Again, you couldn't do that if you had the 37 up there. So having it on the back here, you've got all your options as well. So super easy to use. If you're a Ram lover, I think you're gonna love this one here. And if you wanna see these things out in action, make sure you check out American Trucks Down Under. Episode 1's here as well.